Hi everyone, it's Sandy and thank you for joining me here on my YouTube channel. So I'm finally able to share with you guys in this video the tutorial and how you can make this really cute gift bag or tote bag with the matching gift card holder. I showed you guys in my last video the gift bag, but the video was to make this really cute bow using cupcake liners. And I will put the link down below this video for you if you wanted to also have a look at how you can make these really cute and easy, inexpensive bows. Again, just using your cupcake liner. But this is the gift bag that I'm going to show you guys. And inside is the matching gift card holder as well. So on the inside here is the two little side pockets where you can place your gift card on this side. You could also place it on this side as well. You can add a couple of tags and then you can write your messages on those tags. You've got a spot to place a note. You could also add 2 gift cards if you wanted to, one on each side. So that's just the gift card holder. And then this cute little bag with these little handles. I just think it's so cute. And then there is also room inside where you could place some more goodies in there, like some jewelry, some sweets, some stationery. Now this is great for Happymail. You could also use this to give to someone for birthdays or Christmas, for craft fairs, teachers' favors as well. So again, lots of ideas for you that you could use this little bag. The complete measurement of the bag is just over 3 inches or 7.8 centimeters by about 9 centimeters or 3.5 inches. So it is great to add 3x4 cards as well in there. But before I show you the tutorial, I did put a kit together for you as well, which I have listed in my Etsy store, which I'll put the link down below to my store as well for those that want to make this complete one. And I'll just quickly show you what you get in the kit and then we'll do the tutorial. So in the kit you will get the box. I have pre-cut and pre-scored the project for you, so saves you time, and all you need to do is just use your good strong glue to assemble the box and the gift card as well. So the box comes embossed. I've ran it through my embossing folder. The only issue with the embossing of the box, when you put the box together, when you look at the joint, you'll see that the embossing hasn't quite completed all the way through the cardstock because my embossing folder wasn't big enough to fit the paper. But it's still okay. I don't find it an issue. But if you find it's a bit of an issue for you, you don't have to use this. If you don't want to in the kit, you can just use this as your template and you've got all the score lines. But generally most people will just focus on the front, and so I don't think it will be a problem. But I just wanted to point it out for you in case you put it together and it may look a little bit odd. But so you'll get that. You'll also get good quality double-sided printed cardstock for your gift card holder. Again, I've pre-scored the lines. I didn't put the pocket together for you because just in case you may want to corner around the corners, or you may want to use the other side as your cover. That way you've got an option on which side you want your cover to be. So that's the gift card holder. You'll also get the 2 strips for your handle, and then again you get to choose which side you want your handle prints to show. There is also the little banner, which is similar to this one. You get that. You get the some gold glitter strip for your gift card holder, like I've got here. Again, I didn't make it into a banner. I left that for you to decide if you wanted to do that, or if you want to corner around the corners, or whatever you wish to do with that strip of glitter. And you also get a small pack of these little embellishments as well. So you'll get a random 4 word sentiments, you get a bow, an embossed heart shape, and 4 of these flat back embellishments. And in the pack you will get a random printed paper for your gift card holder, and you can also choose between the gold glitter or silver glitter. So they're the 2 options. You can get either gold or silver, and you get random print paper for your gift card holder and for your banner, and some random of my word sentiments in the pack. So that's just to give you an idea for the kit. And now we'll go and put together the card and gift card holder and the box, or the bag, sorry. So you're going to cut out 4 pieces of paper. So one of your first pieces, you want to cut your first piece of paper at 7.5 inches by 4 inches. You want to cut another piece of paper, and you want to cut that at 9.5 inches by 2 3/4 of an inch. You also need 2 strips of paper cut at 1/2 inch by 6 inches, and you need 2 of those. So that's all the pieces of paper you're going to need, and you're going to need your scoreboard. And we'll just do some scoring. I will put all the measurements down below, so in case you forget the measurements. So we're going to first score the first piece of paper that was cut at 7.5 by 4 inches, and you're going to place it on the 7.5 inch side, and we will go to, sorry, we'll go this way. I've probably scored it this way. So you're going to score it at 3 inches, 3.5 inches, 6.5 inches, and 7 inches. So it was 3 inches, 3.5, 6.5, and 7 inches. Turning that paper to the 4 inch side, and then you're going to score that at 3.5 inches. Right, so that's one piece done. Now with your other longer piece, you're going to line that on the 9.5 inch side, and we're going to score it 1 inch, 4 3/4, and 8.5 inches. So that's all there is to the scoring. I'll just put the scoreboard away. Right, so first what we'll do is we'll do the box first. Right, so with the box, we're just going to do a couple of little cuts. Along your right hand side, you've got 2 score lines, and you have a little square here. We're going to cut out that little square because we don't need that. So we'll take that out. And then we're just going to cut these 3 lines just up to that first score line. So we'll cut all 3 of those. Now at this point it's up to you. You don't have to do this. I'm just going to angle cut these in like that. Just cutting these notches out. And then the same to this side as well. And also just along here, I'm just going to cut this out. Okay. So that's what you want to do there. We're going to now just fold those fold lines, and fold them really well with your scoring tool or bone folder. Press these down. Okay, now you're just going to need some good strong glue, and we're going to apply glue along that on this side here, or some good strong double-sided tape. So then you've got your glue on. We're going to bring this whole thing around and fold that in, and you just want to get that to line up to the other end of your paper, and that you'll see will sort of form into a box already. And then you're going to turn this upside down. Just going to open that up. So the part here where we've done the join, you want to make sure this part here is going to fold that way. No, sorry, my fault. Yes, that's right. Yes, that. No, sorry, that's this way. Sorry. Oh, it doesn't really matter actually. It doesn't really matter. But what we're going to do, we're going to turn this upside down. We're going to put these two little flaps inside. I'm just going to apply a little bit of glue to there. And then what you want to do here is this part here, actually, yes. So the part here where we've joined, this part here, you want to fold that into the flaps. And then this side here, you fold that over. I'd only say that just because it looks neater so you don't see that join, but I guess it doesn't really matter. It's a preference thing. So you're not going to see it. So you fold that down, and that closes up your box at the bottom. So there's your box, and now we're just going to do the handles. So with the handles, this is a 6-inch length. The one that I have here, I've trimmed mine down to, I think I did mine at 5 inches for the handle, so it's not too long. But you know, again, that's up to you. You can have it long, or you can leave it this way or short. But I'll leave it at this length. And what you're going to do here, we are going to, depending on what side you want the front, wherever you want the front, we're going to put the glue underneath it on each end. So you just want to apply a little bit of glue just there and along here. We're going to turn that back over, and then we're just going to bring it like that. And you're just going to place it where you would like. You can probably put glue one at a time. And what I've actually done to keep it in place, I'm just going to grab I'll just grab a little peg to hold it, and then I'm going to swing this one around and do the same. And it'll just lining it all up. Let's grab this one. I'll just keep the handles secure. And then you just do the same to the other side. Just turning it underneath, applying glue to that side. And then that side. Flip it over. We can do glue one at a time, it might be easier. I'm just going to place that there. Grab my peg. And then just swing this around to line that up there. And that will give you your handles. So that's your little bag done. Just going to fix that up a bit. And that creates your little bag. And then once that's set, all you do is you grab your little flat back, the little flat back embellishments. I'm just going to use my glue dot and just place a bit of glue. hopefully that's already set. And you just place that, oops, in the middle. And just place that there. And grab your other one. And then you do the same to that side. And then what you do is you just repeat that and do the same to the other two sides. So that's how you do the handbag or tote bag, gift bag with the handle. So now we'll just quickly do the gift card holder. And this is just pretty straightforward. All you're doing here, you're just going to fold your score lines again. And you can decide whether you want to decorate your corners before you glue down the pockets. So I'm just going to apply some glue to the ends here, and that will create my little side pockets for the gift card. And that's pretty all there is to that, and just pressing that down and then doing the same to this side. A little bit too much glue, and then you just fold that over. Just hold that down. These are great little wood pegs to hold your papers down when you're gluing things. So that gives you your gift card holder and your tote bag. So again, I do have these as a kit ready for you to put together. As you can see, that goes in there nicely for you to make. And I do hope you enjoyed this really fun tutorial. I do love this cute little bag. I think it's really, really cute. So give this a go if you would like to make your own, or you can also purchase the kit in my store. And I'll put all the measurements down below again, and I do hope you enjoyed this video. Bye for now.